2022 Yamaha Tenere 700. The Tenere 700 is Yamaha's most extreme long-distance adventure bike with the ability to go further than ever before. The new 23-liter, 6.1-gallon, dual-side-mounted fuel tanks are designed to bring peace of mind on the longest rides and eliminate the range anxiety every rider experiences when the backup light starts flashing. Under typical conditions of use, the new tank is expected to provide a range of up to 311 miles 500 kilometers. The unique twin-side-mounted design offers a number of significant advantages over simply making the tank taller and wider to increase its capacity. By having two separate tanks positioned lower, and placing the fuel pump in a lower position in one of the tanks, the bike's center of gravity can be maintained almost the same as the existing Tenere 700, which has a 16-liter, 4.2-gallon tank. Helping maintains agile handling even as the larger fuel load adds weight. In addition, Yamaha says the mass of the vehicle is more centered, with an ideal weight distribution between the front and rear. An important feature of this new layout is that the highest point on the new side-mounted tank is lower than the top of the tank on the Tenere 700, reducing the height difference between the tank and seat to provide a much flatter profile for increased rider mobility and front weight transfer. Rear, which is easier when driving on the highway. Another benefit of this dual-tank design is the limited movement of fuel, compared to the large tank layout, which is especially beneficial when cornering. For enhanced off-road handling performance, the suspension system on the Tenere 700 World Raid features a number of significant improvements. The newly designed 43mm KYB fork provides 230mm, 9.1 inches, of wheelbase, 20mm, 0.8 inches, more than the base model. Offering increased shock absorption potential on rough terrain. The new fork is equipped with a spring preload adjuster. In addition, a rebound and compression damping adjuster and an air bleeding screw are included in the Tenere 700, allowing the rider to adjust the suspension to suit different terrains and loads. To increase durability by reducing internal friction, the 43mm longer travel front fork features a tough Kashima finish applied to the outer tube, in a distinctive dark bronze color, while the lighter fork internal components are used to minimize weight, despite the longer stroke. Thanks to a new suspension with a longer stroke, ground clearance is now 250mm, 9.8 inches, up from 240mm, 9.4 inches, on the standard model. Lin steering damper. For better handling, especially in off-road driving situations, Lin steering dampers are fitted as standard. The mounting position is close to the top triple clamp, allowing the rider to quickly adjust the unit to his preferred level of feel and feedback on a variety of terrain, thanks to 18 different damping settings. Improved rear suspension. The rear suspension has also been upgraded to match the new front fork, and features a revised linkage design with longer stroke piggyback type shock absorbers. The damping characteristics of the rear suspension, spring speed and linkage ratio have all been optimized to provide a comfortable ride on the road, along with the ability to take hard hits during off-road exploration. For consistent damping performance, the new shocks have an aluminum body for good heat dissipation. while a separate piggyback-type oil reservoir prevents cavitation. And like the forks, the new shocks provide 20 mm (0.8 inches) more wheelbase and fully adjustable for spring preload, as well as compression and rebound damping. A new rubber bumper has also been introduced to improve energy absorption performance in case of a drop. New air purifier box. The Tenere 700 family has a new air purifier box, specially designed to handle extreme off-road terrain, made for this long-distance adventure bike. The Tenere Air Box is equipped with a forward-facing inlet designed to prevent the entry of dust and debris removed by the rear wheels. New flatter chair. In addition to the height reduction of the new dual-tank design, the Tenere 700 World Raid also benefits from a new 890 mm (35.0 inches) seat height, 0.6 inches taller than the standard model, which provides a much flatter profile for the vehicle. Smooth transition between seat and tank. This design allows the rider to move back and forth with minimal effort while shifting their weight to maintain control over rough terrain. And new ergonomics are suitable for both sitting and standing positions. The two-section design of the seat allows easy removal of the back to allow attachment of accessories such as shelves or luggage. The seats are made of two different types of leather, with a high grip zone in the middle and a smooth zone that allows freedom of movement while riding. New color TFT with mobile connectivity. The new 5 inches color TFT display connects to the bike's Communication Control Unit (CCU), speaking to the MyRide app, providing connectivity in the form of text messages and incoming call notifications displayed on the instrument panel. Yamaha's free MyRide app also allows Tenere 700 World Raid riders to review ride statistics including total distance, elevation, top speed, average speed, acceleration and incline angle, and then compare their data with fellow riders. The system can also warn the rider of any technical issues and even report it to a Yamaha dealer or designated contact. Additionally, Tenere 700 World Raid riders can choose from 3 different themes on the new 5 inches color TFT display. The Explorer screen layout features a modern digital design that provides all major engine data running in a contemporary and easy-to-read style. The Street display features a tachometer with a circular dial and hands, giving it a more conventional look from the analog era. And the Raid screen is inspired by typical rally racing roadbooks and features 2 independent countdown tripmeters that allow the rider to see the distance to the next waypoint.